Hey guys, it's Aaron. I have a quick tip today on glue ups. As you know, when you're gluing up, sometimes you can get glue squeeze out, which happens a lot, and one of the big problems is how do you clean it up? So I take a more preventative approach. Now, if doing panels, that can be a little harder, but with something like this, it's a little easier. And here's what you can use. You can use either tape or finish or both. Let me explain. So what I can do is I can take the tape, and let me get this real quick, and I can just line it up right up against here. And that way when squeeze out happens, it'll get on the tape, not the surface of this. Because once this is glued up, it's kind of hard to get in there with the sander or to scrape it out. So that's one easy way to do it. Now, another way to do it is you can apply finish to your workpiece ahead of time, because if the finish is on here, the glue is not going to stick to the surface, so you can pre-finish it. So in that case, what you'd want to do is you'd figure out where the line is going to be. Now for that, what I would do is I would simply take a marking knife and then write it up against the edge right here and have a physical line that has depth to it, unlike a pencil line. And then what I can do is I can put the tape just like this on it, so the length of it, and that way when I'm putting on my finish, at least the first coat, I don't have to worry about it getting on to the surface that I'll actually be putting the glue on. So that way you can avoid a horrible mess, because no one enjoys having to clean up glue after the fact. So hopefully this simple but efficient tip helps you guys to maximize your time in your workshop and have less stress with your glue ups.